Now we are going to just show this the simplest form of any recurring number. What is like this? Suppose this is one recurring number 0.6, what I just talked to you. We are symbolizing like this. This is any number who is on the top of any number, any point like this. It is actually just showing this recurring. Recurring means the number is repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating also, repeating number. So here we can express, let this number is actually x and this is the number. We can express this in the form of like this. And if we are multiplying this both side, and if we are multiplying this x into 10 and this is 10 into this number 0.666 dot 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 like this, we will get this one 10x equal to one number, it will be shifted. Another number that is x is there, it was there. Now we are just do the difference over here, that is a subtract from this number to this number, it is 9x and it is coming, all this number has gone, that is this is now becomes 0. So this is remaining only 6. Then therefore x equal to 6 by 9 equal to 2 by 3. This is actually the simplest form of 0.6 recurring. Like this, I am just taking another example over here, x equal to this number. If I am just now multiplying the same way with the help of 10, then it will be coming both sides, it is multiplied by 10, it will be coming 10x and it will be just one number, it will be shifted and it will be just giving like this. Once again I am just putting over here and just give this and you will get this is 9, that is 4 by 3. If we are now just going to just get this also divide, you will get the same number. What you are just going to simplify this one, like this is 1 3 1 and this comes 0.3, this is 9, once again 3 1 and it is also just coming and like this it will just going on. So this is how to just do the recurring number in the simplest form or any fractional representation of any number. Now we are just going to get one shortcut like this, any number shortcut. What is that? Any number which has to be just do this in the short simplest form. You just do the whole number, just put over here how many numbers you do have over here on the recurring number, you just give that much 9 and also any number which is left over here without recurring, that will be minus, that will be 6 by 9 and it is actually coming 1 and this is 6 and this is 6 by 9 is 2 by 3 and this is actually the same thing you are just going to get. Here we can also just get the shortcut over here, say shortcut this 1.3 recurring is there. You can just put this like this, that is 13 by recurring number, one number is there, that is 9 and the number which is left without recurring, that is 1, which has to be just deducted from here and this is coming 12 by 9, this is actually 4 by 3, which is actually the desired number. So in this way, very shortcutly we can calculate all this, that is recurring decimal recurring number into the simplest form. So in this way you can just do this. Next we are coming to the representation of any irrational number. We have seen that is how to compute any number on the number line. It is difficult to show that is any irrational number on the number line. How to do that? See, I am just showing this is one irrational number. This root 2, it is very difficult to just get this within the scale and just compute on the number line. Then how we can just solve this one? Suppose I am just taking root 2 in the form of like this, that is in the form of any right triangle like this, whose two sides are 1 and 1, and with the help of this, that is Pythagorean theorem, we can express this. This is a hypotenuse, this is the base and this is the perpendicular. We are just putting this value over here 1 and 1, it will be coming 2 and this value will be root 2. If this value we can just find with the help of geometrical any figure, we can express this on the number line like this, that is with the same arc we are just taking this over here and cut it over here, and AC and AD, it is actually the same length which is actually expressing root 2, and this root 2 can be expressed on the number line in this geometrical process. This is very simple way how to just represent any irrational number on the number line.